We're gonna make a chocolate chunk cookie with better ingredients and just one serving. But you're not gonna believe the size of this cookie. If I want a cookie, I'm gonna make a cookie. I'm gonna figure out how to have better ingredients so that I can still have that cookie and stay within the lines of eating more wholesomely. This cookie is gonna give me energy that I need to finish cleaning my house on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. It's delicious. My mouth is watering as I stand here just smelling it. It's fudgy. It only has a few ingredients that you might actually have in your house right now. So let's put it together, shall we? I'll ensure to have the recipe blogged up in the description below this video. So I have all of my ingredients out. I did this just for you. I'm usually like going around the kitchen, grabbing things throughout building this recipe. I have turned the oven on. It's warming. It's going to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's get to it, shall we? I'll show you what we're going to use. So I have all my ingredients laid out here. We have cocoa, chocolate chunks, a banana, some baking powder, almond flour, plant-based protein powder, and some regular nut milk here. I'm using coconut milk today. It doesn't matter what kind. And I have this ready. It's a baking sheet with parchment paper. Yes, it's big. You're going to be happy you used a big pan. Just you wait. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the banana. I'm going to peel it up. You're just going to mash this banana up. So I've mashed up the banana until it's like really almost like pudding. This is a little bit of a workout, but you want this banana to get like creamy consistency because it's gonna work as a lot of the wetness for this batter, so to speak. This batter. All right, now that that is done, we're gonna go ahead and put in a scoop of protein powder. Now, I'm loving on lean sit lately because it has no sucralose. Is that the thing that I look for? Yeah, it's got no sucralose or aspartame. It's like sweetened with stevia. And it's really hard to find, can you hear my stove? It's really hard to find soy-free and, gluten-free and really good protein powders that are based in Canada, because I also like to, try and keep things within my watershed. Now I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of almond flour. Now you can use whatever flour you want. You can use like flour if you like. You can use oats ground up. Sometimes I'll use like buckwheat flour. You can use coconut flour, might not work. I've never tried it with coconut flour, but the flour is really just kind of like almost like a binder. Okay, and I like it a little bit more cocoa-y, chocolatey. So I'm gonna add another tablespoon of cocoa powder and a half. Oh, well, this is almost done. So I'm just gonna put the whole thing in. It's almost empty anyway, so finish that off. And I'm gonna put a little bit of baking powder in here. I'm not really big on measuring. All right, so here's where it gets tricky. If you add too much milk, it doesn't really, it stays kind of uncooked when you cook it, but it doesn't matter because as you see, there's no egg in it, so there's nothing that's gonna poison you. So just gonna start with about, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of nut milk, and we'll see how that does. Basically, I just want to get this into a nice batter where everything is mixed in. All right. So now we're going to transfer this onto our big plate. This is where you're going to need the spatula. It'll be our big plate. Our big pan. Forgetting my words today. So I'm just going to put this onto a pan. You'll see it's pretty, it's pretty large. Could almost make 2 cookies with this, but then you wouldn't have the full protein count. So you just want to spread it around like a cookie shape. Now I'm going to take these chocolate chunks and just put them wherever. Now we're going to put this into the oven. Would you take a look at that? It's huge. See, there's my hand. My hands are big. My hands are full of chocolate. And look how big this cookie is. Now, when it comes out, it's pretty gooey. So it's not gonna look like it's cooked in the middle, but that makes it be fudgy. And because there's no ingredients in it that'll make you sick if they're not cooked, then it doesn't really matter. You can batch create these if you like and, make 2 or 3, have them for breakfast throughout the week, especially if you like to have a little something before you work out in the morning. This would be that great little something. I would have it probably about an hour before my workout. And my mouth is watering just thinking about it. And because banana is the base, it stays really fudgy. Oh, so good. Hopefully it's cooled off by now. So good. You don't have to ever feel deprived. Just be the one that looks for better ingredients to recreate the things that you love. So you never go a day without your favorites. You never have to feel deprived. That's how you be unstoppable between the ups and downs of weight loss and through the decades. I'll see you in the next video.